All right. Well done, guys. Well done, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever part of the world you are in. Nice to have you guys here, on the call. So let me know where you guys are joining me from because right now I'm in Lagos, Nigeria. Let me know where you guys are joining me from. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Someone say Burkina Faso, Gideon from Ghana. We have Cameroon. We have Maiduguri. We have Nigeria. Everybody from every continent is well represented right now on the call. Now, you guys are nice to have you guys here. Nice to have you guys here. Nice. Okay. So, guys, I respect you all for coming in. And I just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for sticking around. So, let's go from Dubai, from Osun State, from Dubai, from Cameroon, from Ghana, from Ikeja, Edo State, Lagos, Namibia, Ghana, Cameroon, Zamfara, Onitsha, Kano, Gambia, Rwanda, everywhere, everywhere, everyone is joined. Everyone is Jamaica. Today, let's get this gingerbread, guys. So on today's call, it's just gonna be simple and straightforward. I want to show you guys technique that you can actually use to start cashing out from the financial market. You don't have to do too much. This week, I'm going to be dropping a scalping strategy here on my YouTube channel. So if you want to be a part of those that will see that and you're not yet subscribed, please kindly smash the subscribe button right now so you can be among and turn on post notifications so that you will be sent a notification once that video goes live. I'm going to be dropping a scalping strategy that should be around on Friday, Thursday, thereabout. I'm going to be just dropping a scalping strategy, but because you are here, I'm going to give you a snippet of how that can help you. Now, if you guys ever wondered, I'll be the only one doing today's class alone, all right? Just me and you just talking. Have you guys ever wondered why you lose money after a long time of winning as a day trader, or why you lose money after a long time of winning as a swing trader? That's because patterns has changed. Or have you ever noticed that there are times that catching 50 people was very easy? It would be very easy for you. You are very conversant with catching 50 pips. You'll be so certain that yes, this market is going to move about 50 pips. But there are some time in the same market, same pair, same currency, same amount, same account balance that you discover that even being able to catch 10 pip with that same style of trading, that same strategy will be very difficult. Why? What do you think has happened there? There's a change, a market shift. So, what I'm going to teach you today, yeah, is something that is going to help you to know now market has shifted. Now, let me switch to this way. I'm going to teach you guys how to scalp the forex market. So, I'm going to be talking a little bit on scalping and then uh how it also relates to you being a day trader or a swing trader. You can be the two type of trading depending on your type of personality. But if you want to stick to one until maybe your market come around, trust me, these days I've been scalping. So that's why I barely send signal because people know me as a day trader, right? So if I send a scalping signal when I'm supposed to be hopping out, some people still be thinking, oh, you should still be buying. But meanwhile, I'm already out. You still think that, okay, I'm still holding. No, I'm already out. So I'm going to talk a little bit about that so that I'll have that freedom to be able to send the signal, and then you guys will be able to read it well. Damian Manzan, thank you very much for the donation of $5. I appreciate you. Do you want to ask a question? If you want to ask a question, just let me know. And also, I'll send. You can just email. You can also email me. Well, well cited. I see you, man. I don't know. If you can ask a question in the comment section after this video finishes, I'll go ask that question. I'll check it after 24 hours, between now and 24 hours to check if there's anything that you want to draw my attention to. All right. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. All right. So that's why it's important. I want to show you guys today how I scalp. But the proper video would be dropping on my channel between now and Friday. The video is already made, it's been edited, but I'm waiting for the perfect time where you guys will all be online. Then I hate it with you guys. I hate it with you guys, but let me give you a glimpse of how I scalp. How I scalp. So first, before I go there, let me do a brief announcement. So in Consummate is a proprietary firm that is willing to fund traders, give you money to trade. There are new updates. So people wanted other brokerage. I want to have option of selecting other brokerages. So that's why we in turn introduced the FX Life Capital. So FX Life Capital is another brokerage that you have as an option B apart from Quaco Market. So for those who want to use a different brokerage, aside Quaco, you can go ahead and use FS Life Capital now and consummate, or you still want to retain your Kwaku Market, just write an email and then just raise the ticket. Your Kwaku Market account will still be retained. But however, as at time of talking right now, because I know in a couple of minutes it's going to be solved, some people are still having invalid accounts. All right. So that invalid account would be rectified. So the tech team, they are currently in on their job, and trust me, they will always rectify it and make sure you are compensated for any mistake that might have caused, or any conveniences that might have caused you. So guys, thank you very much for trusting on Consummate, and trust me, there are new updates coming on, and you guys can see the dashboard has been updated and everything is now looking more seamless and more user friendly now. And guys, we have tomorrow is going to be August, so we have August challenge. We're going to be giving away Mercedes Benz to the winner of the August challenge. All you have to do in August, the account tomorrow, the account is going to be given the challenge account. So you're going to buy that account, trade it up. If you have the highest amount at the end of August, you get to keep a Mercedes Benz plus your profit. So what if you traded but you didn't win the highest trader, you didn't win the highest profit? You still keep your profit anyway, but we're just using that to compensate the highest traders, the best traders, because it's a working relationship with us. So the more money you make for us, the more money we get to share. You get to keep up to 90%, and then we get to keep as less as 10%. Then that means we also reward you with a Mercedes Benz if you are the highest for only for the month of August. So guys, get your money ready, buy account as many as you can, because the more accounts you get, the more you stand a higher chance of winning this challenge. Trust me, the last time we gave out a $10,000 $10,000 cash. This time around, we're going to be giving away Mercedes Benz. We want you to join the big boys and let's cruise around the whole of this Lagos, whole of Nigeria, whole of Ghana, anywhere, wherever you are. We'll send you the car straight up. All right. So thank you. Now let's go to the scalping strategy, which is why most of you are here. How much is the account? Someone is already asking. Don't worry, it will be announced, please. It will be announced. This is just like a brief announcement. So the announcement is over now. And one last announcement. We also know that I'm currently admitting students. If you want to learn under me, FirePip, I'm allowing people to come learn under me. Just head straight to firepipsfx.com so you can become a mentee with this link right now that is scrolling through on at the bottom of your screen. Just go to firepipsfx.com, www.firepipsfx.com. You can become a member of the team by paying like $9 for monthly, $225 for 6 months, or $400 for $399 for yearly. And if you don't have money for any of these ones, you just want to become a free member, you want to know how first work before you even upgrade to paying, yeah, you can start with the free mentorship class. Just go to free mentorship class. That's it. All right. So you can become a part of the trading, and we can teach you how to trade from A, B, C, D to Z, everything we download it onto you. Please kindly note, it's not a get rich quick scheme. Because you join under 1 month and you start riding on a private jet, it doesn't work that way. If it were so, I think I should have about 26 private jet right now, but that's not how it works. It takes time and process. If you're ready to put in the work, that's why I even give you the free trial. Try with the free beginners class. Then if you're confident of what you like there and you want to continue with me, that's when you become a part of the mentorship where you get to commit your money. Say, okay, Jeff, go ahead and teach me. All right. Enough of that. Now let's go straight to the account. Let me start showing you guys the scalping strategy. Now, first, who is a scalper? Scalper is someone who is just interested into getting into the forex market and catching his or her share in a couple of minutes. He's just looking to catch 10 pips, 10 to 20 pips max. That's a scalper. Scalper is not here to talk too much story. You just want to catch what belongs to him or her and then leave. That's who a scalper is. All right. So in that video that will be releasing by the end of this week or towards the end of this week, all right, I'll just be explaining some concepts to you guys. So it is simple. The concept that I still employ in that video was psychological level, all right, psychological level, trend line, and chart pattern. These are the 3 core things that I just explained in that strategy. So now, what are psychological levels? Let me explain again for the benefit of those who are joining us for the first time. Now, if you're a newbie, this strategy works for you. If you are new, you can use this strategy to profit. All right. So, but when newbie might be different from someone who is experienced, is you might not be able to maintain the profit. That's just the truth. Because you're a newbie, you'll be thinking, because you're able to catch it you catch one trade, you win 2, 3, 4, you win the whole 2 weeks, then you think it's going to be like that forever. No, It's not going to be like that forever. There will be dips. All right. There are always highs and lows. So what makes an expert trader is ability to manage when it is the lows, and also not to get so excited when it's also its highs. You understand? So, but then this fits a newbie traders. It fits newbie trader, and it also fits all type of trader. It fits students. It fits day jobber. It fits any type of thing that you are doing at all. Even if you have 2 hours a day left, all right, in your entire life to be scalping, you still make profit with this strategy. So, guys, pay attention. So, first, let me shrink this chart and clear out all what we have here. Let me shrink it out and clear it out so that it can be like a virgin chart, like you would have it on your own end too. All right, so so let me go to let me do a replay. I just want to take it to anywhere at all, and then let me just start from where I didn't see. So I didn't see what was going on there. So let's start from there. Invalid symbol. I think we went way too backward. Hold on a while. I'm just gonna have that fixed. Yes, I'm just gonna have that fixed. My replay isn't so far. Don't worry, I just want to replay it for you guys. So this replay function, what I did is I deleted the candles that are way right in my hand as though they were not there. Then I'll have to replay it back using the same strategy I'm about to teach you, so you guys can see whether or not if this strategy actually do work. So the first thing you want to do is I want to clear out the whole chart. Come to event, delete the session break so that everything can be cleared like this. So the next thing I want to do is to put psychological levels. So psychological levels are simply round up number. I'm sure you guys are following me. Are you guys following me before I go further? Does it work with swing trading? No, this is scalp trading. It works for swing traders too. It works for swing trader. Somebody is asking if it's work for swing trading. This is for scalpers. Scalpers are people who are looking to get into the forex market to make 10 pip, 20 pip, and they are out. All right, please. 10 pip, 20 pip, and they are out. That is what it's meant for. It's for scalping. But if you're a swing trader, you can still do this for the meantime. If you're a day trader, you can just use this. You can open a scalping account. You can open a swing account. You can open a day trading account separately. You can put a small amount of money on here, and then you don't worry. I'll come back for all the questions. Please, guys, just follow along. Follow. I don't want you guys to miss out on this strategy. Follow along. All right. We're even going to test it after this class now. So the first concept I want to do is to put psychological level as always. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw psychological level. So psychological level, I have to look at the current price. Current price as on this replay, as of this replay, is 1.28724. This green one. So I want to look for a random number. I'll double tap here. Make sure this number makes sense. So 1.280000000 is a random number. It's a meaningful one. So I'm gonna just drop it there. All right, on any time frame. This work on any time frame. All right, so but currently I'm on 15 minutes time frame, so I can go on 1 hour and do it. Let me even go on 1 hour and add some other psychological level. But I'm just going to add about 4 to 5, just as many that is relevant to this current chart that we're in on. That's what I'm just going to use it to do. So 1.285, then that's the second one. Then I'm going to add a third one again, 1.2900. So in order for you to cross-check psychological level, just in case you're wondering how Jeffrey even getting all these, you have to measure from one to the next one. It has to be 50 pips. 50 pips. If it is less or more, then you know you're wrong. So exactly it is 50 pips. So that shows that we're correct. I just want to add some little more and then I move to the next concept. 295. All right. I'm just going to add a little more, then teach you the next condition I need to be met. You need to watch this video over and over again, guys. Over and over again, so you guys be able to follow along. You know that no be juju, that it's clear. It's clear. Then I'm good. I'm just going to add some more principles that you guys will have to follow, and then that will be how we'll just blend out. Okay, let me add one more to the downside. One more to the downside. Then if we see that candle is going past this one psychological levels we have, we'll keep adding more. Just know that these are not all psychological levels we have. It keep going as long as you keep adding 50 pips or removing 50 pips. You keep going to the downside. But I don't want to add too much so that our chart doesn't look messy. So we're going to only add to where candles are currently fitted. All right. I believe that makes sense. So the next concept is, please, time frame is very important. Time frame, this is where time frame matters. So as a scalper, you have to make sure you stay on 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and 1 minute. But your main trend is on 1 hour. So right now, on 1 hour, what is our current trend? If we shrink this way, our current trend is simply stating that we're in an uptrend. How? Trend line will also tell you that. Can you see from here? See that candles are going up. All right, so hence when an uptrend, correct? All right, that's what we just came to 1 hour to determine. We're looking to catch just 10 pips, 20 pips, so we don't have to stay on the higher time frame. So the next thing you want to do is to come on 15 minutes time frame. I explain all these things more in depth and more relaxed in the video that's going to be dropping on Thursday or Friday. All right, guys, stay out. Just keep watching for that video. So when I come on 15 minutes, I just want to check more on what other trends, what other trend line am I missing out on. I'll take this one. This is a trough. Then this is a trough. I'm just going to take it out here. What am I targeting? It's touching here, it's touching here, it's touching here too. All right, that's another target. Then there's another trend line at the top again. All right, just going to take a peak, then this is a peak. Then I'm just going to drop it this way. This is for scalping, guys, in case you're just joining right now. Now, once price gets here, I hope everyone is following through. Okay, hold on, guys. I'm still with you. I'm coming back for your questions. Please just hold on. So now the next thing is, this is 15 minutes, right? Then I want to go on 5 minutes. I only want cash trade. I just only want to trade. Let's say, for example, I wake up in the morning. I want to trade for just 2 hours. I want to cash trade for 2 hours. So I would love to want to trade during London and New York, because those are the fastest time for us to get hit, for us to hit our target sharp, and then we're out. So another rule again that you have to note is, with this star, we want to catch risk to reward. Risk to reward has to be 1 to 2, 1 ratio 2. What that simply means is, if our stop loss is 2 pips, we are going to target 4 pip as take profit. Okay, that's rule number 1. Then rule number 2, we want to trade only London, only during London and New York. All right, please mind my my caps. Right, London and New York. Right, this is what you want to trade. Those times you want to trade. All right, that doesn't mean it doesn't work on other. In fact, it works in Asian session and Sydney session. You also work, but I want us to be able to catch it fast. But me, I love to trade London and New York. I don't want to wake up at night and start trading, since I'm using West African time. All right. Then the next thing is, I want to execute on 1 minute time frame. Execution on M1. Scalping, guys, remember, M1. Execution will be on M1. So these are the core rules that we have in 3. So, and I will only execute on top of psychological level, on a psychological level. So on this day now, say, okay, this is Friday. Let's play this day. Now it's Friday. Let's Friday go. Let's start on a Monday. So we'll start fresh on a new week. All right. I will just back test for, okay, this is still Friday. Let me put the session break so we'll be able to tell which day is which day from which day. So each box represents 1 day. All right. So this is Friday now. All this bottom. How can you know from this bottom? So I want to get to Monday. A Monday. Okay, all these are Friday until we see another. Yeah. Now from here it's Monday. So I want it to be 6 o'clock. Once it's 6 o'clock, we'll start taking trades. Now, please kindly remember, I'm saying that this works when it's scalping strategy. You don't want to take it to heart. It's not a two or die affair. All right, it's scalping, only scalping. It's a different type of trading. So this is Monday now. I don't want to take Monday trade. Although it played out on Monday, what I'm about to show you guys, it played out on Monday, but I want us to go and start on Tuesday, since I don't trade on Monday. All right, so let's go on Monday. So I'll start by 6 o'clock, 6 a.m. I want to be very realistic. So this is 6 a.m. already. This is candle 6 a.m. So what I want to look out for is, I want price first to meet 2 things, to meet psychological level. All right. So now when price got here now, my trend line will change. Trend line has to be like this. So if price gets to psychological level, I'll take action. I'll either buy or sell based on the market structure there, and based on another confluence, maybe like an M or W on 5 minutes. That 5 minutes or 1 minute that will happen there. So first, this is M here. All right. So I want to go on a 5 minute time frame. This is 5 minutes. All right. Remember, you check 5 minutes and then we execute from 1 minute. Remember. Okay. This is playing out nicely. So it's playing out nicely. Let's see. So it's only when price gets to psychological level, that's when I get to take action. So now price at psychological level, and it must have formed a W close to psychological level. So to me, this is a very big W. I can go on 1 minute to check it to prove it to you guys. I can go on 1 minute. Remember, we're really looking to catch just 10 pips. This is a big W, right? Like so. Drawing mode. This is a big W, right? And now it's confirmed. I don't want to enter not until price thought hits psychological level. That's when I want to enter. So here now is my entry. This is my entry confirmation as long as it's confirmed on 1 minute time frame. So I'm just going to come here now and put long sign here because here I bought here. And I'm going to put my I put it on drawing mode. Let me remove the drawing mode. So I put it right there, shrink a bit. So let's say I went in for long here. Seven pips that I'm risking here. So I want to catch 14 pips. It's always 1 to 2 risk reward, guys. 1 to 2. 14 pips. 14. Okay, that's 14 since I'm risking 7 pips. So now let's play. Don't worry, if you hit our stop loss, we count it as a loss and then we move. Stop loss hit. 1 loss. Yeah, done. 1 loss, done. This is loss 1. Let me put an X so that we'll be able to tell where the loss is coming from. 1 stop loss hit. All right. So the next thing we always want to make sure, then we should have actually went short here. So let's go on the 5 minute again. 5 minutes is where I watch out the pattern from. Maybe I read that pattern wrongly. There might actually be a sell. I read that pattern wrongly. So now let's go again. We can catch as many. All right. Oh, how do I go back again? Each time price hits the psychological level again, we long again. So it's not like it's scalping. We long again. So let's go on 1 minute time frame. If price hits psychological level that is forming, like, since we are already giving out AW, we are looking forward to. Oh, this guy is calling me. Stop that, man. All right. So once price hits psychological level again, and it closes above, yeah. So I'm going to go long again. I'm going to buy again. So remember, we have taken 1 stop loss, 1 loss. So my take profit, what's it called? My stop loss rather would be here again. 6 pips. I want to target 12 pips. It's always 1 to 2 if you are risking. Yeah. So now let's go again. Stop loss taking again. I mean, take profit taking again. Sorry, stop loss taking again. Just tiny, just tiny. So if we have extended to like here, it would have been better. But no, this was taking. That's 2 in a row. All right. Let's go on. It must always touch psychological level before you want to trade. But this one, the stop loss was wrongly placed. This would have been a winner for us. So I've been a winner, but then yeah, another touch again. So it touched again on a psychological level. So now let's check where it's likely headed. You come on the 5 minute again. You want to check it out. This is like you picking trades on steroids. You don't want to stop. So as you come back again to touch my psychological level, I want to catch 10 pips now, risking 5 pips. So immediately this guy comes here and form an up move. I'm loading again. So this one take out take profit like that. Oh, I didn't set stop loss, but just understand that's how it works. And one thing I forgot to let you guys know is setting stop loss, you have to put it on the recent low. Like for this guy now, you have to put your stop loss here and you catch ×2. You have to put it here. You catch like 20 pips, something like that. You have to put it on recent low, you catch times 2. Put on recent low, you catch times 2. In that video, you're going to see it. I already made that video since, and it's been edited, it's been put out there. So you can take about when I back tested this thing, I won 7 trades consistently. I won 7 trades out of 10 trades. Let's do some more example, and so that some of you might can be more. Anytime you come to psychological level, don't buy anywhere or don't sell any other place. Yeah, it's at psychological level again, right? Price touch psychological level again. You come back here again. Let me go and check the trend again on 5 minutes. Okay, so price touch on 5 minutes again. Then we want to put it on recent low. These are stop loss on recent low. These are recent low again. And then we are looking to catch, this is 4 pips. Should catch 8 pips. Oh, this stop loss is taking. This one is taking. Okay, now we'll not change buyer since the buyer has gone way, the seller has gone way further. Yeah, as price come back up again, up again now, since it has broken the support, it broke the resistance. As price come back up again, we have to wait for it to form an M. We have to wait for it to form an M here again. All right. As price come back up again, we are selling. Since it broke the support, now become resistance. So we want to put on a high, and then we'll target times 2. Like that, we'll be selling. Like that. So anytime price now come back up again, and we'll now start taking side of sales. We are taking sell side. As price come back up again now, yeah. As price come back up again, we'll take the sell side. Okay, let it confirm. The sell move. Bam. So I'm just going to take the sell side now. So I'm just going to sell. I want it to close below. No entry yet. I want it to close below this psychological level downside to confirm our sell side. No entry yet. Bam. Oh, no. It still did not close. No close. No close. No close. Yeah. So since it's closed right here, I'm just going to get in. I'm going to put my stop loss right here. So since I'm risking 12 pips, I want to target time. So that should be 24. That's a little bit high. So if I see that it is too much, I might not want to take it. But let's see. 24. So let's go. This is also taken out. Just so you know, like I've done my back test with this thing. Now that it's already broken up again, now I have to change my bias again. So it's a high frequency trading. Like you have to be on. You have to keep monitoring. Trust me, you have to keep monitoring. And in a day, you can take close to, I think I was taking about 54 trades when I was back testing all through last week. 54 good trades. So in that video, you see the number of trades I took. You're going to see the losses. You're also going to see the win. But the point is, anytime price breaks above a psychological level, that you start trending up. And when you determine that, you determine on 5 minutes and 15 minutes where it is actually trending to 5 minutes or on the 15 minutes. So if you find out that it is trending more to the upside, then you start doing more buys. Anytime price come back down and it closes above it to the upside again, you start doing buy. If it closes down again, start coming down, sell. Now, note, you might have wins. Now, one thing with trading is you might have something like, let me show you. With trading psychology, why trading is crazy is you might have 50% win rate and have 50%, like you might have 50% win rate. That is, if you place 100 trades, you lose 50 and then you win 50, correct? Trust me, you're still a profitable trader. But when newbie will get, I said earlier that it might not really fit well with newbie, but newbie might make money. Because he hits TP1, TP2, TP3, doesn't mean that you have conquered the whole thing. All right, you still have to maintain the same mindset. Let's say, for example, you have 50% win rate. All right, at least 50% of time you win, 50% of the time you also lose. So out of 100 trades, that would mean that you win 50 and then you lose 50. But it's not typical. You know why I say it's not typical? If your risk to reward is 1 to 2, you would make profit. That is, if you are losing, you lose 50% times 1, that's 50. If you are winning 50% times 2, that's 100. So 100 minus 50, then you are still positive 50% of the time, positive, right? That's a good, if you're able to make 50% in a month, I mean, that's too much. Investors will not even want that. That's way too much. But now let me tell you why these results are not typical. When you are winning, it can be your first trade can be a loss, and the next trade will be a win. And next one will be a win, win, win. And then the next coming ones can be loss, 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 loss. Now the question is, when you are having this loss, 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 would you be able to still continue with that same mindset? That is where you now need mentorship now. That's where you need mentorship. So for some people might think that, oh, having 50% win rate is poor. I want to make my strategy 90% or 99.99%. Hey, my brother, that's where we all get stuck. Even at the early stage, I also got stuck looking for strategy that is 99. Trust me, this strategy, I tested it 70% of the time. It works crazily. Just that I don't have time for me to start walking you guys through how I determine the trend on 15 minutes, check 5 minutes for the chart pattern, and 1 minute for entry. So that video I'm going to be dropping on Thursday, Friday, will teach you every damn thing. So guys, stay woke. And then this is psychology. I didn't explain the psychology part there, the psychology part, because you might not really understand. You have to come to the mentorship to understand. So in order for you to be part of the mentorship, all right, the mentorship is not just for day trader, neither is it just for swing trader, is now for scalper. So if you are scalping, you know that you have to come to the mentorship so that we'll take you by the hand and teach you what you need to do every Wednesdays, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday on what to do in the financial market. So this is just the basics of how trading works. So some of you right now, you have a good strategy, but it's not really working well for you guys. It's not really working well for you guys because you don't know how to put it to good use. Talk about the challenge. What is challenge? What challenge? What challenge are you talking about? What challenge are you talking about? I don't understand what you guys are talking about now. What challenge? What challenge? How can I verify my Kwaku market account? Have your international, not just international passport, your valid identity, which includes international passport or voter's card or national identity card or driving license. Any of these four, any, not all of them, anyone at all. And then you also have to have your bank statement or maybe your utility bill, something that shows your address you provided, and that shows your name and that shows that there's money going in, that you're paying for something, just to verify that that address is real. All right. Okay, somebody said I should talk about the challenge. So the August challenge is going to be you winning a car, Mercedes Benz. Okay, that's the challenge you want me to talk about. So it's going to be launching tomorrow, and then the emails is going to be sent to you from Consummate backend. So guys, just stay woke. I'm just hinting you guys because you are in here. So August, get ready. If you are the highest amount, last guy that was the highest the other time, he won $10,000 in raw cash. But this time around, we're going to be giving away a car. Now, one thing about challenges you guys don't know is it's not about how much you make. You can even, let's say for example, it's a 10K account that we're going to be using. Even if you make $10,100, you win the car as long as you are the highest. So it's not about how much you make on the account. It is being the highest for the month. So you could be competing with someone who was maybe $10,000 account, as I stated as an example. The person was making was up 5,000 on his account. That means that person now has 15K. All right. And then the person at the dime minutes he violates his account. And then you have $10,100. You'll be the winner. All right. So what that tells you is that the more accounts you buy, the more you stand a chance of winning. The more if you're also a very good trader, and the more you can also retain your profits. All right. It's a fight of the titans. If you think you've made so much money, maybe for the guy who made $15,000 and then he stops trading, someone at your back who is coming in can just overtake you and then make maybe $15,200 or $15,100. The person wins the car. So you have to make sure it's a smart game. Have multiple accounts. Now, I'm not just saying you should have multiple accounts because I want you guys to keep buying now so that we can make more sales. No, this is just the trick to win in most of all of these challenges. I'm just telling you the trick to win. Make sure you get multiple accounts and trade your way through, and be careful, and then don't be too careful. Also watch the guys at your, just like Usain Bolt, when he's running, he's also checking his opponent. He doesn't want them to I perform him. He knows that he's really good, but then he's checking. Okay, who is by my side now? Who is not by my side? So these are things you just have to put. I'm just giving you expo. All right, just know you do the right thing. Just know what you're doing, guys. Okay, now. Oh, somebody told me the person that won it the last time. Plug of Lagos. Yes, that's the name of the guy that won it. Plug of Lagos won it the last time. Stop playing, guys. Congratulations, Plug of Lagos. Shout out to you. He won the $10,000 raw in cash, which was presented by my partner, Habi, to him. And now this time around, we are giving out a message. We are going deeper. We are going deeper. We want rights. You know, past FME, Forex Millionaire Expo, we promised that if you guys you guys must just become a millionaire this year. That's it's a must. You must become a millionaire and start living the lifestyle. It's a lifestyle game. It's a lifestyle game. That's what we want to shift you guys to. We want to shift you guys to the lifestyle. Things you've always emphasized. Bring on questions. Bring on questions regarding the strategy we just talked about or any other thing that is regarding forex trading. Can this strategy work on any currency pair? Yes, it works on any currency pair. Have your trend line, has psychological level on it. Wait for price to get to the psychological level, determine the trend, hit it. Risk 1 to 2 risk to reward. Make sure your stop loss is on the recent low. So your stop loss level determine what you're going to gain. If your stop loss is 2 pips, target 4 pips. If your stop loss is 1 pip, target 2 pips. You just understand what I mean. 1 to 2 risk to reward, basically. It could be more, but just know that. And there are some risks that might not be worth taking. Since it's scalping, if your stop loss is more than if your stop loss is now more than like 12 pips or 15 pips, it's no longer scalping. You're now day trading. Stop it. That trade is not worth it. Make sure your stop loss is between 10 pips. Is fine. The tighter, the better, because that video will be dropping on Thursday, on Friday, guys. Keep up. Stay tuned. You explain. You see how I explain extensively because it's a video. I really took my time to explain, and I did a lot of examples for you guys. How can I get capital to start? This is from Daniel. All you have to do is to go to consumatraders.com. So Consummate Trader is a company that I co-founded with my friend that you can start trading for us with no loss on you. All right. So Consummate Trader is one of the biggest funny right now that is going on in the industry. What you just have to do is to come to the evaluation. Evaluation is the two-phase challenge, or the Express Lite, or the Express Pro, or the synthetic. So any one of them that you want. So you can just come here. You can buy an account of 5K since you're a starter for $50. All right. $49 rather, which is $50, almost equivalent. So $5,000. Make sure you pass phase 1, phase 2, and then you become funded. You get to keep up to 90% profit split, and then while consumer trader get to keep as low as 10% on their end for providing capital to you. That's how you can get capital. I'm sure that makes sense. All right. How does the daily loss apply to capital, or strictly per day, regardless of if you are in profit overall? Now, here's how the daily loss works. This is a very popular question. Mass daily loss in consumer trader works as is similar to that of my forex fund, MFF. All right. So how it basically works is, if you are, it works on equity. Simply put, what that simply means is, if today, if you make profit on top of your money and you close out, then let's say, for example, I'm trading an account of, for ease of calculation, I'm trading an account of $10,000, for example, and I make $1,000. That's 10%. So my next drawdown is going to be on 10% of my $11,000. So also, if I'm, that's a good thing, right? But so also, if I'm losing, let's say I lost $1,000, for example, for ease of calculation, if you lose $1,000, you know you're out of the game, right? Or then just for ease of calculation, if I lose $1,000, then I'm left with $9,000. Then my drawdown is going to be 5% of $9,000. I hope that makes sense. So also, if you are making profit, so your drawdown only gets reset once it is 00000. Is it Eastern time? I don't know. The rule is at the back. Once it is 12 the next day, 12 the next day. All right. Depending on the time zone that they put in there, it's also at the back. So once it is 12 the next day, then it's going to reset to whatsoever your equity was as at that time when it was 12. This is where people get it wrong, and then they'll be like, oh, my account was violated wrongly. It cannot be validated wrongly because it's being monitored by a bot. Robot is programmed to do what is said, some codes that is said to do. So if you get validated, you don't know what's going on. You probably did not read the rules well, or you did not understand what it is. So maybe I will take my time off again and explain what max daily loss really means in proprietary firm. It's not just only consumer, nor my forex fund. Other proprietary firm also have the same style on equity. That's how it works. Which broker do you use? I use Quaco right now at the time we speak, and sometimes I do use SNS too, but Quaco is my major brokerage. How do you stick to your winning trade? How do I stick to my winning trade? So if the trade is, once I get 1 to 2 to 3 to 1, I'm out. But once I start seeing weak rejection too, I'm out. That's how I keep my wins. Simple. Please, sir, reduce the price of the 6 month mentorship. Please, I have 100K. Please help me. Sorry, Paul. Low, wide. I really wish I could. But this mentorship, what you should be thinking about, is it worth it not reducing the price? Is even way what more than we are affording right now? Time will come, we're going to put the price up, not to make it, not to bring a hardship on you, but no, because of what we're actually loading in. It is too much information. So we want people to really come on in now. So that's why this price is already is still lower. We are adding more people. We're having more tutors right now. We are having live training sessions every day. We're having community managers. These are things that were not there before, and these prices were are still stick now. I just want to understand why now is the best time for you to join. So it's not, you shouldn't be looking at lowering price. Instead, you should start thinking about how this is an opportunity for you to want to hop onto the mentorship. I mean, if your money is still not enough, you can still stay on the free trial right now while you still learn how we trade on YouTube and all of that. But trust me, it is worth every damn penny that you are going to pay right now. Trust me. Um, a 17-year-old beginner, should I trade synthetics? Yeah, depending on what you like. If you like synthetics, I'll say you should go ahead and trade. If you like very, very volatile market trading, but if you want a market that can easily be funded right now, so at the time of making this video, Forex is heavily funded. There are a lot of people that are willing to give you money to trade Forex, but not so much on synthetic right now. So I prefer you trade Forex. All right. And if you have personal fund to fund the synthetics, I'll say go ahead and trade synthetic. But synthetics is very volatile. Please know, synthetic is so crazy. It's very volatile. Hi, Jeffrey. Where can I get the rules on consummate? Okay, somebody's asking where can you get the rules on consummate? Just simple. Come to this consummate brokerage. Sorry, consummate proprietary firm, and you click on rules at this top right here. So you're going to read all the rules right here on the evaluation express line. Everything is right here for you guys to read. All right, please kindly explore that, and then you will not make any mistake at all. Jeff, please, in your mentorship, do you teach on Euro USD? We teach all pairs. We any pair that you want to teach, anything at all. We have Meta, we have CFDs. If you want to learn how to trade stocks, our strategy, it entails that everything that you want to learn, man. We have it available for you. But please, it's not a get rich quick scheme, please. Don't come in hoping to start buying a Lamborghini the next month or the next 2 months. It doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way, guys. All right, and it's not force. It's not force. It's willing. If you want to join us, be part of us. But trust me, it's worth your everybody should be there. All right, so that'll be it for now. And then I'll be announcing pretty soon. I'm going to be having a physical class only exclusive to my mentees. It's going to be batch by batch, batch by batch. You don't have to pay extra fee. If you're my mentee, your subscription is on. You'll be invited to come on. All right, so that's what you're going to be bringing in. Okay, so guys, if you have any questions regarding consumer, please kindly chat up the support. I also understand the support might not be so responsive right now. A lot of effort and energy is being poured in there so that they can be a lot more responsive because of the backlog that they have during the weekend. Right now, they are really up on desk. They are willing to reply you fast as they usually used to, but just give us a smaller time. Every account will be sorted. Trust me, we're not going to be leaving no stone unturned. I'm not going to be leaving you guys dissatisfied with your service. I want you guys to stay with us from the beginning to the end. I want us to make money together. I want us to cash out together because as you make more money, we also to make money on our end too, in the side of consumer. All right. So thank you guys and stick around. So this week I'm going to be dropping more signals in our Telegram channel. If you're not a part of that already, use the link in the description box to be a part of our Telegram channel. It is free. They're going to be dropping. We dropped gold signal. Tochi dropped gold signal today. Sham is going to be dropping US30 signal, and I'm going to be dropping GBP USD signals. And our new signee into the Fire Peep signal channel who will be dropping signal is really good. He trades swing, only swing. Ray Swings, that's his name. Raymond Swing. So his name is Ray Swings. So he's going to be dropping swing trade. Any trade that is currently, he's going to be dropping. I saw the votes there. I think more than I conducted a poll. I asked people to vote if you want Raymond to start providing signals. Now, let me show you the result of that poll. Let me just give you a poll. But everybody's already anticipating Raymond's fire energy in the room. I can't wait to also have him here because I know his signals are crazy. Signals are crazy. So as of the time of speaking right now, we've had about 9,951 people vote. 20,000 people saw it. 20,000 people saw it, but 9,951 people vote. That's 50% of the people they reacted, which is nice. So everybody shouting yes. 90% is saying that you should provide signals. So Ray Swings will be providing swing trader. Please don't take his trade as scalping. Do not take his trade as day trading. You will lose out. Know each person's area of specialty and use them in that area of specialty. Raymond is a swinger. He is not a day trader, neither is he a scalper. If you see his trade, know that he's swinging. Swing his trade only when you're ready to take that trade on your swinging account. Me, I'm a day trader. Tochi is a day trader. Sham is also a day trader, except we send a signal and then we call that trader as otherwise. We call it a different name. All right. So that is going to be it today. I'm sure you guys enjoyed today's class. If you do like this class, give it a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends. Let them also come and learn. Let them learn how to make profit with forex trading. At least let them just know that there's something like forex that exists. There are people that are actually making crazy money. So if they are doubting you, how these guys even making, just show them this video that we have a lot of money. Just show them, show things up, show them our cars and things. Let them know that yes, forex pays the bill. All right, so guys, thank you for coming on today's class, and bye guys, bye. Keep the fire peeping, and I'll see you there. I'll definitely see you guys, in a second. I love